This is my XTR M9020 lever. It suffers from a sticky piston. See, look at that. It doesn't fully extend. It's just stuck in there. And I'm going to replace the piston. I hope that works. If you look at the other side, it's fine. See, it goes all the way out. It doesn't go out anymore. This one, well, this is the piston. I'll put a link in. Okay, and so taking everything apart, it's pretty similar to the video that's on YouTube on the M8000. If you watch that video, it shows you how to take the lever out, and generally everything's the same until it comes to taking the plastic piece that goes there off. For this one, the M9020, it's held by a pin that goes in there. So let me just show you. There's a pin that goes this way, holding it. And what you gotta do is you gotta get a screwdriver that, a small little screwdriver like this, and you need to hammer it through. Can you see it? It's a pin that you can just knock out. So you need to knock it out, and the pin falls out, and then you get that plastic piece out, and then you can get the piston out. All right, I haven't cleaned it yet, and just taken it apart. So this is the Risk titanium piston. If you look at the rubber pieces that come with it, there's, if you call that the top end, this one goes that side, and this one with the bigger hole goes to the bottom side. You got to refer to the pictures. There's also a ridge if you look carefully, and the ridge goes on the top there like that. Same with this one, it's got a bit of a ridge goes up there. So I'm gonna get them on, and then I'm gonna compare them with that's the old plastic swollen piston that's just come out. Okay, finally assembled. You can take a look. Here I'm showing you the black piece. It's quite hard to put it back in again, but when you finally do, you can use the free stroke screw to hold it in while you try to hammer this pin back in. Alright, it's all installed and bled, and look at it now. It's perfect. No stickiness at all. It's great. Definitely worth the effort. Well, let me know if you need any help figuring out what to do. I'll try my best. I hope this was useful for you.